Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool measurement right here. And basically what this is a universal dust cleaner. So pretty much inside right here, they do have a gel. Basically, you guys actually use the gel to actually stick off any of the dust or water off your keyboard. So I'm actually moving from the wrapper right here first, alright? So once we move it from the wrapper right here, you guys can see that this is basically what the packaging looks like. So this is from the brand called ColorCoral. You can see how they mentioned it's a universal dust cleaner. So you definitely use this to actually stick off any dust off your computer, your keyboard, or whatever, which is pretty cool. And basically the gel inside right here is yellow. But let me just open this up to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright. So when you guys first get the product inside right here, you guys can see how it's actually sealed up. So that way you guys know it's brand new. And supposedly for this product here, they do expire. But basically when you guys are ready to use the product, you just want to open this up. So I'm going to open this up to show you guys what it actually looks like and test it out. So once we open up, you can definitely see the texture inside right here is a gel-like texture. So you basically want to take it out. So once you guys take it out, this is basically what the product looks like right here. And once we take the product out, you can definitely smell like a lemon scent on here. But all you guys need to do is use this and stick it onto the keyboard, your phone, or whatever. Basically anywhere where you guys have dust, you guys can actually stick this on it to actually remove any dust, which is perfect for people who have like mechanical keyboards or just keyboards in general. But obviously you guys are not limited to just using it on your keyboard. If you guys want to use this on like your printer, if you guys want to use it on your car, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. But basically you can see when you guys squeeze the lime or the gel right here, it changes the shape or the form right here, which is pretty nice. So when you guys are done using it, you guys can put it back inside right here like this. Just squeeze it in until it fits back inside, and then you're ready to use it again next time. So that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Let me actually go test this out to show you guys what actually works first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here with the product, let me show you guys how to use it. You basically want to take it out first. And once you guys take it out, you can basically just stick this onto anywhere where you guys have like dust or dirt. So just go like this. Stick off any of the dust in between the keyboards if you guys have any. But in my case, I don't really have any because I recently just cleaned up my keyboard. But definitely if you guys want to use this to reach like hard to reach places like in between the corners or in between the gaps, it definitely does work. But that is basically how you guys use the product if you guys want to use it on your laptop. If you guys want to use it in your car air vent, or if you guys want to use it for your mechanical keyboard, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. But that is basically how you use the product right here, if you can see. And for this product, it is reusable. You can definitely use it over and over again if you guys want to. So now that for a quick test of the product, definitely see that actually does work. It actually works quite well. Super easy to actually use the product. Literally all you guys need to do is just take it out and just stick the gel on wherever you guys want to. Like I mentioned, if you guys want to use it in your keyboard, if you guys want to use it for your printer, if you guys want to use it in your car, you can definitely use it almost anywhere, which is pretty awesome. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to go unboxing and test the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys have a lot of dust or dirt on your keyboards, in your car, your printer, or basically anywhere you guys want to actually remove dust, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.